If you have been struggling with how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with the meeting ID and the passcode sent to you by someone, this video fixes how you can do that in easy steps. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first step you need to take is to open your web browser, okay? Then visit teams.microsoft.com. That's the Teams website. Okay, so the Teams app has opened and I have been logged in because I saved my login details here. But in your own case, you may need to log in with your Microsoft email address and the password. Okay, if you have not used the browser before or you have not saved your password and your email there, all right. Then after that, this opens on the last chat I had with someone, all right. But it's okay. Then click on this calendar tab because you want to join with meeting ID and passcode, all right. So click on that. This opens this page. Okay. So this is the meeting I want to join, but in this case, I want to join with ID and passcode. All right. So click on this option, join with an ID. This opens this page for you, requesting that you should type your meeting ID sent to you and the passcode. So I saved it somewhere. So let me get to where I saved it. All right. So this is the meeting ID. I will copy it. Starting with 9, Control C to copy, then I'll minimize and then click here, Control V to paste it, all right? Then here I'm going to type the passcode, all right? Then I'll click here, get back to my notes, notepad or what, I don't know, notebook, then copy this, highlight this, Control C to copy, then I'll minimize it, then I'll get here Control V to paste it. All right. Now, this information has been pasted here. So all you need to take, the next step is click on Join Meeting. Okay, so my camera is turned off here, but no problem. Just click on Join Now because the meeting is scheduled to be by 9. All right. So that is all. So I'll be connected. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover tech tutorials that cut across so many areas, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it okay or you need something more? Hit the like button, the one that points up so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. It wouldn't take you anything, okay? Watch this video here to learn how to share different files in Microsoft Teams. Thank you and see you some other time.